Yeah. So, here we are going to continue in our neurological study. You know, it's known as Neurolife. And we're going to talk a little more about the 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Alright? So, the 12 pairs of cranial nerves arise from the brain, pass through the foramina, or holes in the skull, and innervate a variety of structures. The first two cranial nerves are really extensions of the brain itself and include the olfactory and optic tracts. The remaining 10 pairs of cranial nerves are not unlike the 31 pairs of spinal nerves arising from the spinal cord, except that they arise from the brain stem. Though most of the cranial nerves innervate structures in the head and neck region, the vagus nerve has far-reaching effects, innervating organs in the thorax and abdomen. May knowledge be increased unto you. May you excel and abound in all things that you need to excel and abound in. May you increase in good health. May you increase in wealth. May you increase in stamina. May you increase in balance. May you increase in good structure, wholesome, sound doctrine. May you stay alive. Yeah. You docked here with the D. Stay well, stay whole, baby. See you on the next track.